Welcome back to Mine and Mike's Woodshop. This is a weekly shop update for the week of March 25th. Last week I had a heck of a time between Atlanta and family obligations. I had a hard time getting my video done, my project completed for my entry into the Makers Rock album art collaboration. That's the front, this is the back. If you'd like to try and win this, head over to my website. I'll have a link in the description below. You can enter to win that awesome album. It was fun making. Scroll saw the majority of it all, except I did the Mod Podge for the faces. At the end of the video I'll link to the actual video of me making it. Also, this week I am working. I have a wedding to go to on Saturday that my niece is not my niece, my cousin, my baby cousin. She's getting married, and I'm making something nice for her dais. So can't really show you because I don't know if they watch the videos. So it's a surprise. She doesn't know what's coming, so I'm trying to get it all done. Hopefully I'll have it done Thursday, maybe. What else is going on? Mike's Woodshop. Oh, wrong. Mike's Woodshop. I'll leave a link down in the description below. Check out his channel. Awesome guy, makes some cool things. And his name's Mike. That's all I have. I completed the drawers for the built-ins, but I still have 3 of them sitting here that I have to install. Then I'll work on the fronts. I do have to go to the lumber yard to get some poplar because it's all going to be painted. So the drawers themselves are made out of plywood, but the fronts are going to be all poplar and then painted white. So I don't know if I'm going to do a video on it or if I'm just going to do some Instagram stories or Instagram pictures or what, but that is in the works, along with a lot more shop organization. I get a couple feet cleaned and then I move something and make a bigger mess. So there's a lot that has to get done in this garage. Oh, I also received in the mail my Triton lockjaws. Holy cow, that thing's heavier than I thought. I'll show you. So this thing is a beast. I'm really hitting that pretty good. Leave a dent in my hand. So you guys are a one-man operation and need to use the sawhorse. It's a decent product for the price. Check them out. So I'll leave a link in the description below where you can find the Triton lockjaws. I think it's going to come in handy. I do a lot of work by myself and putting things in sawhorses and clamps. Sometimes it's a pain in the neck, but I think it'll come in handy a lot. That's it. I don't have anything on the bench other than the drawers that I have to install and this project. So please like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you have any ideas of what projects you guys like to see done, I might be doing a couple of live streams on the scroll saw for beginners, I guess, because I'm a newbie. I'm only doing this about a year, and I kind of like it, and it's fun. I could do it till 3 o'clock in the morning and not wake anybody in the house. But you know, if you guys would like to see something done in the shop or explained let me know in the comments below, and I'll see if I can work that into my busy schedule. But as always, be safe.